Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a brand new inventory piece of ours. It is a Scout 2027 305 LXF. Have it in the black full hull color with a black rub rail with a stainless steel insert to match. We've also got the midnight package on here, so all those black accents inside. We've got the boat powered by twin V10 350 Verados from Mercury, also in black. Let's hop inside and check out some more features. Now that we're on board the 2027 305 LXF from Scout Boats, I'd like to point out a few more key features. Once again, powered by twin V10 350 Mercury Verado outboards. They do have easy, quick check for any maintenance items that would be on top of the cowling here. On the full walk-through swim platform, we've got the upgraded Aztec decking. As we enter in, would like to point out we do have rod holders and 2 cup holders across the transom of the boat. Got a nice big transom seat here. Would like to point out the beautiful Bianca interior ultra vinyl material from Scout. Nice big lounge here for 2 adults, maybe even 1 small child to add in. Underneath we do have a live well. We've got storage for tackle or other things right here, easy and up out of the way. Raw water and fresh water on board. We do have recessed cleats on this boat, as well as fender pros. Easy, quick connects to be able to put those fenders in and out of position and also keep those cleats free. As we move up to the top of the hardtop, we do have rocket launchers across the top. Would like to point out once again the midnight edition on this boat with all this black powder coating. As we move down, we've got more rod holders and 2 more cup holders. Nice cutting board set up here with some storage below, a freshwater sink, and then we also have a pull-out Yeti cooler that does have a Scout cushion on top that could double as a seat. We've got fish boxes in the floor on either side, and then underneath our starboard side gunnel we do have rod storage as well. On the port side, we do have a flip over dive door. Allow you to pull in that big catch. Also allows for a quick connect for a ladder to be able to board the boat. So we move forward, would like to point out our JL audio speakers in the hardtop, as well as some spreader lights and our tea bag storage. We do have switching on the boat as well for our bilge pumps, spreader lights, and also our horn and nav lights, as well as a few other features. VHF radio mounted here. Twin 17-inch Garmin screens, brand new from Garmin. Wireless phone charger. A Mercury vessel view display here. We do have our Fusion stereo head system. 2 vents on port and starboard side for our AC, as well as having AC in the cabin. Steering wheel on a tilt base. Our Mercury binnacle for those twin 350 V10 Verados, as well as joystick pilot and operating that come with Skyhook and autopilot. We do have flip down bolsters on either side, as well as flip up and down armrest for the helm seat. Upgraded speaker system, so we do have an extra subwoofer underneath our feet here at the helm. As we move forward, we do have a battery charger here, as well as access to our cabin and head area. Full vacuum flush system with a waste tank and a freshwater sink down below. Also a nice area to be able to get out of the sun or put a small child down for a nap. Would be able to stay on the boat maybe one night if you would like to. As we move forward, we do have a nice large lounger here. Very comfortable seating with flip down armrest on port and starboard side. Very comfortable way to be able to enjoy this boat, and also pretty nice storage underneath this seat as well. Do have nice storage in the floor. This is sealed and drained, so you can use it as a fish box if you would like. Cooler storage underneath either side. in the bow as well. We do have nice grab rails on either side while underway on this boat, be able to feel nice and secure. Also in the bow, we have an anchor windlass with foot pedals and also a freshwater connect to be able to spray down that anchor as you pull it in. We've also got bow rod and cup holders, so you can set up this boat to accept a bow shade if you would like to, either on delivery day or post delivery. Once again, thank you for joining me on a tour of this 2027 Scout 305 LXF. If you'd like to learn more about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, feel free to check us out at marinemax.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.